The best cordless ratchet for a home toolkit will depend on its power output, size, weight, battery, and grip. Many offer safety features that can extend the life of the tool while keeping the user safe. To help shoppers pick out the best cordless ratchet, we performed hands-on testing with the following models. Keep reading to learn more about what we found. There are numerous options for cheap cordless ratchet, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost cordless ratchet from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Milwaukee 245721 M12 Cordless Ratchet Kit. Milwaukee is a famous name in the business, with its cordless impact wrenches being an unavoidable part of most auto repair shops. Taking a share in the growing electric ratchet market segment is a logical step for a firm with such heritage. The Milwaukee M12 Cordless Ratchet is a capable tool that offers a wide range of applications. With an electric motor that delivers up to 35 feet-pounds of torque, it can take on even the most demanding jobs. The maximum speed it produces is 250 RPM, and a variable speed trigger will ensure better control while fastening any fastener you come across. Furthermore, this ratchet comes with a durable M12 battery and a fast 30-minute charger. The combination of prolonged battery life and short charging times makes it perfect for professionals and heavy-duty applications. Meanwhile, the built-in LED light is helpful when working inside engine bays, as it gives a better overview of the work area. Another useful feature is the precise battery life indicator, providing a clear insight into the remaining battery capacity. Number 2. Cordless Li-ion Ratchet Wrench Toolkit. The G12 series from Makita shows that a powerful electric ratchet doesn't have to be heavy or bulky. With an output torque that goes up to 57 feet-pounds, this is the most powerful model on this list. It's specially designed for heavy-duty applications, such as working on suspension or drivetrain components. Meanwhile, the durable aluminum housing also helps it to be lighter than most, weighing slightly above 3 pounds. Maneuvering in tight spaces is also easy, thanks to a clever design that makes the whole ratchet quite slim and compact. Nonetheless, with a maximum output speed of just 160 RPM, this cordless ratchet is not among the fastest on this list. Still, this is not something that may represent a problem for most users. Unless you are working as a rally mechanic, you probably won't see the difference between 250 and 160 RPM on your timesheet anyway. The real downside, though, is the battery, offering a quite limited capacity. But the fact that this ratchet comes with 2 separate batteries gives an easy way around this problem. All in all, the Makita G12 series cordless ratchet is a powerful tool that offers great value for money. It's a little more expensive than the Husky model mentioned above and, thus, might be better suited for automotive technicians. On the other hand, if you are an apprentice and you are lucky enough to have the budget for it, you can be sure it will last you for years to come. Number 3. Ingersoll Rand Rhode Island 130 Ki 12V Cordless Ratchet Kit. Although being a relatively fresh name among electric tool manufacturers, Ingersoll Rand is well known for high-quality pneumatic tools, especially in the automotive industry. However, it took a bit of a different approach to the cordless ratchet market with its R1130K1 unit. Still, while the overall design might be different, the basic parameters are quite similar to other models on this list. Delivering 30 feet-pounds of torque and spinning up to 260 RPM, it's comparable to leaders in this class, such as the Milwaukee 245721 mentioned earlier. Meanwhile, an aluminum body and well-designed mechanism help keep the weight just over 3 pounds, making it very light. That being said, the most notable feature is the unique upper body design, which is quite slim and slender, ideal for use in tight spaces. Unlike most sets, this ratchet is available as a separate unit or in combination with the battery pack and charger. The short battery life is also the main downside of this ratchet. Compared to other devices, it will drain at a much faster rate, especially under heavy loads. It's also worth mentioning that the middle section is a bit wider, resulting from the unique slim design. Some users claim this causes issues when engaging the ratchet, as the trigger may be difficult to operate. Overall, the Ingersoll Rand R1130K1 cordless ratchet is as powerful as the Milwaukee 245721, while being as light as the Makita RW1201. Unfortunately, it's also a bit more expensive. However, if you work 40 hours a week in the shop, you know that cheap tools simply won't do the job. If what you want is a cordless ratchet that is as powerful as reliable, the Ingersoll Rand R1130K1 is a no-brainer. Number 4. Makita RWOIRI 12V Max CXT Cordless Ratchet Kit. Makita is another reputable cordless tool manufacturer, renowned among all those who work with power tools on a daily basis. Its experience of building capable and reliable tools is something that spans more than a century. With the RW01 model, Makita aims at mechanics and builders looking for a versatile electric ratchet. The maximum torque of 35 feet-pounds sets it among the more powerful units on this list. Meanwhile, the variable and easy-to-control output speed, which goes up to 800 RPM, ensures fast and precise fastening of bolts and nuts. Users who spend a lot of their time working with long threads may find it quite helpful. However, the availability of 2 interchangeable anvils is what really sets it apart. With a 1/4 in drive for smaller sockets and 3/8 in for larger ones, it's easy to find the best combination, not to mention that you'll also save yourself the hassle of having to buy 2 different electric ratchets. Another distinctive feature of this ratchet is the ability to tighten bolts by hand while the power is off. It can prove quite worthy in certain situations, such as starting a thread or tightening bolts by feel. The only notable shortcomings include the weight that exceeds 5 pounds and an unusual battery design. Its elongated shape makes the whole assembly a bit bulky, which can be an issue when working in tight spaces. Still, with no other flaws worth mentioning, this is a cordless ratchet that does a great job covering all the bases. Number 5. KIMO Electric Cordless Ratchet Set. Nobody wants to lose power halfway through a task. That's why abest includes 2 batteries in this reasonably priced pack and a powerful 280 RPM motor. While abest's kit doesn't punch up to the same strength as KIMO or Yongfeng on our list, how much do you really need for the task? With abest, you can save money, only get the pieces in your electric ratchet set that you need and rest easy with a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee. This is perfect for use around the house and light automobile repairs without requiring too much power. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.